Hey everyone, welcome back to the Craft Sanctuary. Today, we're doing something a little different. We're taking broken mirrors and turning them into something beautiful and unique. Don't throw away those broken things just yet. In this video, we're taking shattered mirrors and turning them into something beautiful. I'll guide you through the process of safely repurposing broken mirror to add unique sparkle and charm to your surroundings. Let us give new life to what's broken and create an environment that shines. Join me on this creative journey, and let us find the beauty in what others might toss aside. Oh, wow! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.